we have discussed about friction, rolling friction, advantages of friction and disadvantages of friction. Now we will discuss how we can reduce friction and how we can increase friction. So we have some ways by which we can increase the friction and by which we can decrease the friction. So first we will discuss about the methods of reducing friction. The first thing is to reduce the friction. The first thing you have to make the surface smooth. If you make the surface smooth by any way, it means you are reducing friction. To reduce friction, we have to make the surface smooth. Now the question is how we can make the surface smooth. First thing, by the use of lubricants like oil and grease. We can use these things to make the surface smooth. And when the surface becomes smooth, and then the friction will reduce. Second, by using soap solution. We all are using soap. Soap solution also makes the surface smooth. When we put the soap solution on a surface, it makes the surface smooth because if we use the soap solution on marble floor, then we slip easily. Why we slip easily? Because soap solution reduces friction. It makes the surface smooth, and due to the smoothness of surface, the friction reduces. Third, by using fine powders. When we are playing carom board, in carom board we are using powder. Why we are using powder? We are using powder to make the surface smooth. So the striker and the other things can easily move on the surface. So fine powder also make the surface smooth, and due to that smoothness, the frictional force reduces. Next is by polishing. When we paint something or when we polish something, what we do? We make the surface smooth. So by polishing, we make surface smooth, and when the surface becomes smooth, then the friction will reduce. So this is also a way by which we can reduce friction. Next is by streamlining. What is streamlining? It is a shape which is of V shape. V shape is known as streamline shape. It is narrow from the top and wider from the bottom. This shape is known as streamline shape. Fishes are of streamline shape. Why they have streamline shape? Because streamline shape reduces friction, so they can easily swim. Say aeroplane also have streamline shape. Why the aeroplane have streamline shape? Because this streamline shape reduces friction. Because the area of contact reduce, and when the area of contact reduce, then frictional force also reduce. So by streamlining shape we can reduce friction. Next, by converting sliding into rolling. When we convert the sliding friction into rolling friction, the friction will reduce. How the friction will reduce? Because when we convert the sliding into rolling, the area of contact will decrease, and when the area of contact decrease, then friction will also reduce, because frictional force is directly proportional to area. If the value of area is more, then frictional force will be higher. If the value of area is less, then frictional force will be less. So when we convert sliding into rolling, then the frictional force will reduce. Why it reduce? Because the area of contact reduce when we convert sliding into rolling friction. So these are the ways by which we can reduce friction. Now we will discuss about the method of increasing friction. To reduce friction, we make the surface smooth. So to increase friction, we have to make the surface rough. When the surface becomes rough, due to the roughness or due to the irregularities on the surface, the frictional force will increase. When the irregularities will interlock, suppose these are the irregularities of two surfaces. When they will interlock with each other, the frictional force will increase. So to increase friction, we have to make the surface rough. Now the question is how we can make the surface rough. So normally by using sand and gravels, we can make the surface rough. If you use sand and gravel, then you will make the surface rough, and due to roughness of surface, the irregularities will increase, and it will increase the friction. Now we will discuss some example. If you see the tires have some different designs. These designs are known as grooves. These grooves are provided to increase the friction, because to stop a vehicle we require friction, and to apply friction we require grooves in the tire. Second, the soles of shoes with spikes. The players use spikes in their shoes because spikes increase the frictional force. Because when the spikes will enter in the earth, they will increase the frictional force, so they can easily run or they can easily move. Belt with rough surface. If we use a smooth belt, then it will easily slide on the another surface. So we have to use the belt with rough surface, so it will not slip because friction will increase. Kabaddi players rub their hand with the sand or soil. Why they rub their hand with soil? Because when they rub their hands with soil, the irregularities will increase, and irregularities will increase the frictional force, so they can easily catch their opponents. To make a grip on the opponent, they rub their hands on with the soil. So these are the examples which shows us how we can increase friction. Thank you.